Hello, you're listening to Abstract AF and I'm Sneha Jaswal. In this episode, I'm going to talk about 12 fun films you can watch with the entire family, along with where you can find them. All of these films are post 2010 and are not animated. Maybe I'll do a bigger list of animated movies soon. But for now, let's talk about some of the fun movies you can legally watch online with your entire clan. And I'll start from the oldest one on the list.
When I first moved into the neighborhood, I felt like I was gonna lose my lunch.
So, number one is Flipped, a 2010 film that I loved watching when I was in college, and I recently even saw it again. It's about two school kids and neighbors, Bryce and Julie Baker. While Julie is outspoken about her crush on the cute neighbor, Bryce starts running in the opposite direction whenever she's close to him. However, his grandfather makes him look at Julie in a new light, but by that time, Julie doesn't want anything to do with him. The story is shown from the perspectives of both the characters and how Bryce completely flips. It might seem a little slow to some adults in the house, but it's a very sweet film that you can watch with the entire fam. Flipped is available to watch on Netflix. Moving on,
Who are you? Hugo. Where do you live? Is it a secret? Yes. Oh, good. I love secrets.
number two on the list is a film called Hugo, about a young, impish orphan boy who likes to mess around with the clocks at a nearby railway station. And he goes on a magical adventure to find the key to an automation made by his late father. It's a fun magical movie by Martin Scorsese. You can watch Hugo on Netflix or you can also rent it on YouTube.
Hello? English tuition? I can come in?
You may not.
But
You need to ask, may I come in?
Moving on to the number three movie on the list, it's called English Winglish, a Bollywood film that came out in 2012. This one has iconic actor Sridevi in the lead role, who plays homemaker Shashi. Shashi in the movie is trying to learn English when she's on a trip to America. It's a bittersweet movie about a homemaker trying to find her voice while those close to her don't value her for what she is. Watch it on Amazon Prime with the family if you still haven't. It's also available to rent on YouTube. Now to the number four movie on the list called Blind Detective, a 2013 Hong Kong Chinese action crime romantic comedy film. It's about a blind detective who teams up with a rookie officer to crack a case. It has enough action comedy and entertainment value to keep you hooked till the end, and you can find this film on Netflix. Now, number five. Number five on the list is The Monuments Men, a 2014 movie that I saw in the theaters back then with some friends, and all of us really enjoyed this World War II movie.
The Nazis had been stealing art out of Warsaw, Amsterdam, Paris.
Time to put a team together and try to protect what's left and find what's missing.
Monuments, man.
Signed by Roosevelt.
How many men?
For now, 6.
It's about a team of men who are tasked with saving historical art pieces from the hands of Nazi looters. If you are a history and art fan, you will really like this one. Unfortunately, it's not on any of the streaming sites, but you can rent it on YouTube. Moving on to the number six movie on the list, it's Okja, directed by Bong Joon-ho, whose film Parasite had won the Oscars. Okja came out in 2017, and this film is not your traditional fun film. It's actually, in some ways, a very dark comedy, which exposes the dark side of the meat industry, although in an exaggerated way.
This beautiful and special little creature will be a revolution in the livestock industry. Our super pigs will not only be big and beautiful, they will also leave a minimal footprint on the environment, consume less feed, and produce less excretions.
Okja is basically a super pig who is raised by a farmer in Korea and develops a special bond with his young granddaughter, Mija. So when a team of Americans come to take Okja away, Mija goes on a mission to save her pet. This film is slightly slow, but a very powerful movie about animal rights. It's almost like a modern 101 Dalmatians film, but instead of a lot of dogs, you have a giant pig at the center of the story. You can find Okja to watch on Netflix. Now to the number seven film on the list. It's called Wonder, which came out in 2017.
Next week, I start 5th grade. And since I've never been to real school before, I'm pretty much totally petrified.
This is one of the most wholesome family films to have ever been made in the recent past. I watched it with my parents and all of us loved it. It's about a boy called August who has a rare facial abnormality and is homeschooled by his mother. But when his parents finally decide to send him to school, a new world opens up in front of him. with new friends and some mean bullies. It has a very nice cast, including Julia Roberts, who will absolutely charm you all over again. And if you haven't seen this film, gather everybody in the house and let the magic unfold. One Day is available to watch on Netflix, Amazon Prime, but only in some countries, and you can also rent it on YouTube. Okay, let's move on to number 8. The film is called Secrets in the Hot Springs. It's a 2018 movie and is slightly different from all the other ones on the list. It's a Taiwanese horror comedy. And I don't know, maybe it's just me who enjoyed this movie more than most viewers would, but it's a very entertaining tale about a bunch of youngsters who go to a hotel that is run by the grandparents of one of them, and they soon start seeing ghosts in the facility. It was quite funny and it's very family friendly, unlike most horror films. So if you want to watch a horror comedy, Secrets in the Hot Springs is available on Netflix. Just thinking about the film makes me laugh, but yeah, go watch it. Number 9 on the list is Jojo Rabbit. I feel very happy about the fact that this movie came out in 2019, much before the COVID-19 pandemic pushed us into the four walls of our house, and that I was able to see it in the movie theater because I loved this film. It's set during World War II. It's about young Jojo who idolizes Hitler and believes in all his anti-Jew propaganda and bullshit. But his worldview is completely shattered when he discovers his mother is hiding a Jewish girl in their home. Jojo finally learns a lot of new things about the world, and this movie is a refreshing way to look at World War II from the eye of a young brainwashed boy who can still be saved.
Oh, God. Nothing makes sense anymore.
Yeah, I know, it's definitely not a good time to be a Nazi.
This film is available to watch on Disney Plus Hotstar and had come out in 2019. Next movie on the list, number 10, is Shazam, again a 2019 film, which is easily one of the most fun films made by the guys at DC. I know there are a lot of other fun superhero films, but I've put Shazam on this list because it's a standalone movie and you don't need to have watched any other superhero films to understand what's happening.
If you could have one superpower, what would you pick? Everybody chooses flight. You know why?
So they can fly away from this conversation?
No, because heroes fly.
It's a light-hearted, funny film with a talented cast of kids that makes it an entertaining watch for the entire family. It's available to watch on Netflix and you can rent it on YouTube. Moving on to number 11 on the list, the movie is called The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. Again, a 2019 film. This British drama might not exactly be a fun movie, but it's very inspirational. It's a true story about a 13-year-old boy who lived in a small village in Malawi, an African nation, and how he tries to help his community in battling a famine. He's a poor boy, but with the help of just a few books from the library that he's not even allowed in, and from some junk, he makes up a windmill that'll save his entire village. You can watch this film on Netflix. The last movie, the number 12 film on the list, is Enola Holmes that came out in 2020.
A week ago, I awoke to find that my mother was missing, and she did not return. I'm presently on the way to collect my brothers, Mycroft and Sherlock.
Now, Enola is shown to be the sister of Sherlock Holmes, and she goes on an adventure to find her mother who goes missing one fine day, but leaves some clues to help find her. I found the film a little predictable because I read a lot of books, but it's easy to see that it would make for a very entertaining family night film. So watch Enola Holmes and it's available to stream on Netflix.
It is time to find my mother. The game is afoot.
That's a wrap on the list. I hope you found some interesting titles. Talk to you in the next one.